students, how are you doing? I hope everyone is doing fine. So today's topic is e-payment apps. Read the clues and match the digital payment apps by writing the correct numbers in the given boxes. Number 1, this mobile payment service was initially developed by George in 2011. It enables users to make payments with Android phones, tablets or watches. Option number C, Google Pay. Second, in 2016, National Payments Corporation of India (NPCI) released this payment app. It was named after Bhimrao Ambedkar. It allows users to send or receive money to or from UPI payment addresses or to non-UPI based accounts also. Option number D, Bheem, which is Bharat Interface for Money. Third, this payment service provider was founded in 2009. It offers a digital wallet and a mobile phone based payment system. This is option number B, MobiKwik. Number 4, the Digital Payment and Financial Services Company was founded in December 2015. It allows users to send and receive money, recharge DTH and mobile services and carry out other financial transactions. This is option number E, PhonePe. And lastly, fifth, this digital payment app was founded in 2010. The company allows merchants to accept payments via QR code and provides mobile payment services to customers. It also offers retail brokerage services and ticketing. The answer to this is option number A, Paytm. With that, students, this chapter is also finished. We had about e-payments app which were released and launched in different years for different purposes, and it has helped us a lot in making payments. Please go through the entire chapter once again properly and revise it properly.